Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Youcine on your smart TV, including Android TV and Fire TV Stick devices. Before you begin, make sure you have the downloader app installed from your TV's app store. This app is required because Youcine is not installed directly through the official store. Once downloader is installed, open the app and tap the search or URL bar. Type Youcine and tap Go. A list of websites will appear in the search results. Open the website named Youcine APK Pro. When the website loads, wait a few seconds, then tap Download Now to download the Youcine APK file. After the download is complete, tap Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, tap Done, then delete the downloaded APK file to free up storage space. Finally, go to your TV's apps section. You should now see the Youcine app installed and ready to use. That's all you need to do. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.